Let's now solve number 16 on the Amc 12B. In the state of Coinland, coins have values of 6, 10, or 15 cents. We're asked to find the most expensive item that cannot be purchased using coins with exact change. So basically, you have to use some integer number of coins, and we're trying to find there's some cutoff point where everything after that can be made. What's the largest value that cannot be made? If you know Chicken McNugget theorem, this is probably going to remind you of that. Except the thing about Chicken McNugget theorem is we have to have our two denominations be relatively prime. Otherwise, for example, if we have like two even numbers like 6 and 10, we can't get every number after a certain point. We'll never ever be able to get odd numbers. So that only works if m and n are relatively prime. So be careful here. Well, there's something we can do though. What if we take out a factor of 2? Now Chicken McNugget theorem on 3 and 5, we get 15 minus 3 plus 5, which is 7. So 7 is the largest value that cannot be created with 3 and 5. And because these coins are double, we have that 14 is the largest even value that cannot be created with 6 and 10. But again, we cannot create any odd values. So for 6 and 10, 16, 18, ... can be made. But the thing is, how are we going to get odd values now? We have the 15-cent coin, which is going to give us a little boost. So the thing is, because we can make 16, 18, etc., we can make all even numbers that are at least 16. But therefore, we can also make all odd numbers that are at least 31 by simply adding 15 here. So 33, etc. So what is the largest possible value that could potentially not work, right? All the odd values bigger than 31 works, and even 16 or more works. So 29 is the largest value that could potentially not work, because 31 and more, everything will work, all the odd numbers, and 16 and more even numbers will all work. So 29, is that possible? Again, we don't immediately know 29 works, because this is simply some possibility. So let's just check. Does 29 work? If we have a 15, so let's say we have to have a 15, right? Because if we don't have a 15, we're not getting 6 and 10. So then we have to form 14 with 6 and 10, which we already found is not possible. And we can't have two 15s either because that's negative. So 29 is our answer, or the sum of digits of 29, which is 11. So this was a really cool problem. Like, the key idea was just noticing, okay, let's focus on two denominations at first. It does not have to be 6 and 10. You could have been, okay, 10 and 15. This can form everything that's a multiple of 5. Or you can be 6 and 15. This forms everything that's a multiple of 3 greater than or equal to some value. But then after that, you have to look at the third coin and be like, what is the largest possible value I cannot have now with this third coin involved? And then you can see that, it's this one that's the largest value that can happen, because all odd numbers greater than here can work. And then we got our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution.